our YouTube channel Kanak Info System LLP. Today my topic is how to use FilePicker in Flutter. First of all, create Flutter project. Then after add FilePicker package in your pub.yml file. Open FilePicker package. This package is used your project pub.yml file. This is my FilePicker package. Then after create one class. This is my stateful class. Add one button and one list view. First of all, create one method FilePicker. Provide FilePicker.platform.FilePicker. This provide is FilePicker dialog. Then after add allow multi. Allow multi means enable selected multiple file. Then after set false. Then after selected single file. Final result is provide selected files data. Then after check null or not. Then after add selected file data is result.file. This is platform file list. This is provide selected all file list. This list is set the list view. This is my list view. Selected file, then length. Set your file design. This list is provide selected file storage in list view. If you want to set the only zip file, any other file, the set this enable. Type is file type.custom. Then set allow extension like only zip. To set only zip. Provide set pdf.zip, png, jpg. Another extension set. This provide only for selected extension. Like run this project. Select PDF and set selected list. Remove list. Then select another file. Document txt file and set txt file. Thank you guys.